These are the elevators at the SpringHill Suites, Tampa Airport, Westshore, Tampa, Florida. Huh, it's already pushed 5. Interesting. I think it's stuck. We're gonna go to 6. We're gonna see if we can fix the button. There we go. So now we won't have to stop at 5 going down. Wonder how that happened. We're gonna go back to 1. So these are either ThyssenDovers or ThyssenKrupp impulses. Not sure which. They've got the Miami seal on them, as almost all impulses in Florida do. So inspection expired August 2023. It's an old certificate. We're gonna ride this one now. The machine room is right here.
Right.
We're gonna go to 6. So this is pretty fast for a hydraulic, I must say. We're gonna go to 1. This one says the same thing, expired August 2023. And I'm filming this in November 2024, so that's about 15 months past expiration. There it goes. And that'll be it.